Hello, fan collectors. Braxton Vintage Fanman here, and what we have here today is a Homestead Universal ceiling fan. This is my second ever Universal I've ever gotten. The first one being the one upstairs that's hanging up in the sewing room now, in place of that crappy Centerville. There's only one Centerville remaining, which is the one in the living room, but that's off topic. This one came with its original mounting bracket, meanwhile the other one didn't. The other one's cleaner than this one. This one I think is covered in grease. Yeah, because all the dirt is stuck to the motor and whatnot. So yeah, move that out of the way. Anyways, got this from Habitat for $10, as always. Always get them for $10 these days. Okay, so, I'm thinking. So, this has some bearing noise. I have tested this already, but I can tell you now, it has bearing noise, so, yeah. Let's put this on, let's turn the light on. .37 amps. Watts is, or no, not watts. Power factor is 0.68. Watts is 30. It's 30 watts. So yeah. And the light is pretty bright. Those are, it did not come with those shades nor light bulbs. It did not come with any shades or light bulbs, to be honest, or to be exact. So, yeah. Turn the light off. The fan low. The bearings make like a crumbling sound for some reason. I don't know why. That's a good view. And there's low speed. 0.23 amps. 0.36 of power. 0.36 at power factor. 10 watts. 0.323 amps. I forgot. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Okay, medium. Into a box. And also, what's weird about, I think this is common for Universals, but these Universals have like a plug-in down rod, which I think is really different, which you don't see that on many other fans. So I thought that was different, because my first ever Universal had that, and I think this one does as well. So it's making some bearing noise. Don't know if you can hear it because of the furnace, so probably can't hear it because of the furnace. But I can definitely tell you the bearings are really crumbly sounding, so I'm gonna have to look into that. I think it's the top bearings. It was a lot worse though, but then I put oil in the bottom bearings, so just need to put oil on the top bearings, and then we should be good after that. .4 on amps, 30 watts, 0.62 of a power factor, and high speed. These are pretty powerful. Even though they're spinner motors, they're powerful. Can easily say that. And it's got a little bit of a wobble. So like the air movement, you can kind of feel it in the center, but then if you go like diagonal, like where I'm standing, you can feel it. Probably because of the boxes being in the way, maybe, I don't know. See how it feels from the entrance. I feel it. I ain't the best on spreading out though, but definitely does a job underneath. Alright, spin down. Wait, I need to check the 0.61 amps. Exactly a power factor of 1. And 774 watts. Alright, spin down now. Flip this in reverse. Let's see how spin down does. Tap down a little bit. I'm guessing the one upstairs is the better of the two. I don't know. Yeah, well, they're both about equal, but I think the one upstairs is the better of the two, considering it's cleaner, its bearings are way better. Although this one has its original mounting bracket too, though. Yeah, the spin down seems to be pretty good though. Usually say that. And the dogs are barking outside. It did come with all the hardware. It came with that light kit as well. Which obviously the light kit's not original. Or I don't know, but I'm guessing it's not original. But I could be wrong. Still going. Dang. Well, good to know spin down's really good still. Okay, so I think it's finally coming to a stop. Yeah, it's finally coming to a stop. They're so freaking long. Low reverse. Going the same. That's to be expected though, but I'm just gonna show reverse because I'm actually gonna have it with the light on this time. 0.49 is with low reverse with the light on. Watts. Power factor is 0.68. Jeez, that light is bright. Dang. Gosh dang, that light's bright. 6-7 amps, 60 watts still, 0.75 of power factor. And high. We will also do 0 to high as always. And we're going to do the rig as well. 0.9 amps, 104 watts. Dang. Power factor. Oh, it's lower on the power factor. Let's see what happens when we turn off the light then. It raised up. That's different. So with the light on, it's lower. That's odd for the power factor. I was not expecting that. Well, now, it's time for the decade box. So, 1. Oh, it starts on 1. That's surprising. That almost never happens. Is it going to stall though? Yep, it is. So, 2. Yeah, and 1 was drawing 0.05 amps. 0.1 for 2. 3. 0.14. 4. 0.18. 5. 0.22. 6. 0.26. 7. 0.3 or 0.29. 8. 0.33. 9. 0.36. 10. 0.39. Let's see what it does on with that. Okay. 11. 0.4. 12. 0.42. 13. 0.44. 14. 0.45. 15. 0.47. 16. Going until it goes over if it does. 0.49. 17. 0.5. Let's see if my video's still on. Yep. 18. 0.51. I think that's where it's going to stop at. I don't know. 19. 0.52. 20. 0.53. 21. 0.53. 22. 0.54. 23. 0.55. 24. Okay, I don't think it's going to go any higher. Let's go up to 30. Yep, that's not much of a difference. 30 is the highest I can go. So, guess it's time for variable speed. stop this. Alright, see how loud it will be. I'm already hearing some buzzing. Just itching it up. Just a rattle from the light kit. That is loud. And full power is obviously quiet. So, alright, I think I'm ready for 0 to high. I know I kind of did a brief of the solid state, but oh well. I don't think there's going to be much of an inrush, but let's see. Oh. Nope, no inrush actually. Staying at 0.61. That's a shocker. I wasn't expecting no inrush. I was thinking there was going to be a little bit, but nope, no inrush. Well, that should be it actually. That's the case. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks, and peace.